let me talk to you about the exam pattern, the paper pattern. Right, so many things I want to talk to you about. So the next thing which I want to talk to you about is the paper pattern. Like how, or so what is the format of our paper, what variety of questions are coming, and so. Right, so again our paper is divided under two parts, the part 1 and the part 2. Right, in the part 1 we have the MCQ questions, and in the part 2 of the paper we have the descriptive questions. In the part 1 we have the 15 MCQ questions of 2 marks each. Right, so that is the 30 marks of your paper. Right, so what they are doing, putting some general MCQs over there. So like say 3 general MCQs, 1, 2, 3. Right, then after that say they put case study 1, and case study 1 they put 1, 2, 3 question. Case study 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 questions, and then case study 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. Right, so you notice it over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right, so these are the 15 questions coming for the MCQs in your exam. Right, 15 questions of the MCQ. That is part 1 of your paper. And then part 2 of your paper is the descriptive part of the paper, in which you have the question number 1, which is compulsory. And a question number 1, A, B, C, which is 5 marks, 5 marks and 4 marks, and which is compulsory. And so question number 1 is compulsory, right? 14 marks over there. And then after that you have question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5, question number 6, all having ABC, 554 or 545. That they can change it little bit internally. Here you have an internal option in question number 6. Like, in A you have 2 options. Any one of them you have 2 options. And then you have to opt any 4 out of these 5 questions. Right, any 4 out of these 5 questions. Right, so this is compulsory question. 5 plus 5, 10, and plus 4, 14. So that is 14 marks of your paper. And then after this 14 marks, you have these 4 questions into 14 marks each, which is 56 marks of your paper. So 14 plus 56 is the 70 marks of your paper. Right, so 30 marks from the MCQ and 70 marks from the theory part of the paper. Is everybody able to follow the format of the paper? कैसा question आएगा? क्या question आएगा? Are you able to follow? Right, so how many MCQs over there? 15 MCQs. No 1 markers. It says all 2 markers. And in that they've put like the 3 case studies over there, and then some general MCQs over there. Right, so that's the format of your paper. And then over here, like, this 3 questions I'll have to write 1, 2, 3, and then say I select I don't want to write question number 4. Example. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Out of this I'll write any one. So 13, 14, 15. So as such, सीधा and a very simple calculations if I have to do. It is 15 MCQs that I need to solve in my paper, and 15 theory questions which I need to solve in my paper. In these 15 theory questions which I need to solve in my paper, 10 questions are going to be the 5 markers, and 5 questions are going to be the 4 markers. Right, so that 10 5s are going to be the 50, and this is going to be 5 4s are 20, right? So that is going to be the 70 marks of my paper, right? 70 marks of my paper, and this was 15 into 2 marks, right? So that is straight away coming to the 30 marks, right? So 30 marks, and here is the 70 marks. For 70 marks, I have to write down 10 questions of 5 marks each, and 5 questions of 4 marks each, right? Do I have any options in the MCQ part of the paper? Illa. No, absolutely no option over here. And in the theory part of the paper, yeah, I have one option of the 14 marks. Entire one question I may not write. And then question number 6, if I select, I get the benefit of an internal option over there. Right, so as such, if I see my paper is going to be of 30 plus 100, and then 114 and 119. And as such, my paper is going to be of the 119 marks, out of which I need to write down the 100 marks. And obviously in that 30, so no option. But in the 70, you have the option of the 89. Out of that, you have to need to write down for the 70 marks. Clear, everyone? Is it going in your mind? right? Regarding what we are talking about over here, paper pattern, the MCQ and the theory part of the paper, right? So MCQ, what did I say? 15 questions of 2 marks each, that is 30 marks. And then theory, we have the 10 questions of the 5 marks and 5 questions of the 4 marks, right? So that is 50 plus 20, that is 70 marks of the theory, right? So in total 30, itna padhoge. And I told you, like, you're going to study 800 questions in the theory part, and then after that some 1300 questions in the MCQ part of the paper. So some 2000 plus question, and out of that 2500 question, 30 questions are going to come in exam. And the 30 questions are going to come in the exam. And so it's like full ocean you study, and then few drops of ocean are going to come in the exam. Okay, right. Then another student has asked a question regarding the weightage of each and every chapter.